Hello everyone. Today I received my new order from China. These are LED headlights that I'm planning to install in my Volkswagen Up and see how it will fit in the car, and will there be any improvement or no on the car. So let's go and install them. Before I change the headlights to LED, I would like first to clear all the faults that in the car, to see if there will be any faults after I install the LED lights. There is one fault that I cannot clear, and this is something here, control module. Wow, okay. When I don't know how this happens, when I go to the faults, the radio starts. But that's it, I have one fault here. So I will see how much faults I will have when I install the LED lights. Now, let me show you how easy it is to change the headlights on Volkswagen Up. I think it should be the same on Skoda Citigo EV or Seat Mii Electric. There's a connector, this is the connector. We need just to pull it. So grab it and shake it a little bit and pull it like this. And the connector is out. Then we need to remove this rubber band here. Just pull it like this and it's removed. And now the trick is to release this here. Just need to press them down. Let's see how it will be easy to look. Press down and pull. Press down and push. And that's how you can release them, and then they are opening like this. Let me put back the camera. And the bulb, you just need to shake it a little bit to remove the halogen bulb. Now it is time for the LED bulb. The process is the same as we removed the halogen one. It can fit only one way. So there's some knobs here that needs to be inserted exactly on the place it's supposed to be. But before we do that, I found it's easier first to put the rubber band here. Just push it, because the space there is very tiny and it's very hard after that to put the rubber. Okay, it's totally easy. But I managed to put the rubber band in the cable. So it's time to put the LED in the place. Okay. So this is how it should fit. I guess you'll not be able to see exactly how I'm doing that. When you put it here, just rotate it so that it can fit the place it needs to be. There's not enough lights here. Okay, I managed to get it in place, and then this thing here, just go around the cable like this and secure it in place the same way that we did with the halogen light. Then we need to put the rubber band again on its place. okay. It will not fit exactly as it was in the halogen, because the halogen is smaller than the LED. Let me show you the comparison. Because of the cooling of the LED lights, that's why the rubber band will be a little bit like this. And then we need only to put the connector back, just like this, and you should put it tightly. And that's how easy it is to install to change the headlights. I will change the other one, and we'll test them. My LED headlights are already in place. I will test it just in a minute. The OBD11 is scanning. There is one more error, so let's find what is the error. So in the air conditioning, functional limitation of blower. That is something new, but not related with the lights. Let's see what is the other error. Okay, I think this one was here before. Yeah, this error was here before. So there is one more error, but it's not related with the lights, which I think is okay. So first, let's see how the halogen headlights are performing, and then we'll compare them with the LED lights. These are the headlights with the halogen light. This is on the low beam lights. This is the high beam lights, low beam lights. Let me just pass this car here, and then high beam lights, low beam lights. Let me tell you what is the consumption without anything running. Currently it's 376 watts. This is with headlights. Now the headlights are turned off on the daylights, so 220 watts are consumed from the car. Now I'm turning the headlights, 376, which is around 150 watts are the headlights. Let me now turn on the high beam lights, and it's 400. So I put the lights here, 480 watts on the high beam. Release 376. So 150 watts is starting the headlights of the car. Let's now test the LED lights. This is now how it looks with the LED lights. This is the high beam lights. This is the normal lights. High beam lights, normal lights. I think they are one idea better than the halogen in regards of the light. I think I see much more further with the high beam lights. The low beam lights, it's okay. Let's see the consumption. Currently, let me turn them off. The consumption is 220 watts. Let me turn them on. 256. Let me turn the high beam on. Nothing change. Nothing changed. So around 36 watts are the LED, and with comparison with the halogen, it's very cheaper in regards to electricity. I think if you change the LED lights, and you save around 1% of the energy that you're spending on the car, because the halogen lights was 150 watts and this is 36 watts, so it's how much, 120 watts you are saving for this change. And if you have okay, it's less than 1%. It's like 1.7, 1.8% you're saving from the electricity of the car if you make this change. And you can see that the lights are pretty well. I think I should go and ride a little bit to see how it looks on the road. Okay, this is the real road. High beam, low beam. It's pretty brighter. High beam, low beam. I really like these lights. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.